Hey everyone, it's Kasha. In this video, I'm going to go over using icons on your map, how to place them, how to change their name, what they look like, and how to turn them off or delete them. To place an icon, I'm going to head over to our side panel and hit this little red toggle button here. So now I've got an icon and I can place it on the map wherever I want. If you've accidentally selected the icon button and you don't want to place an icon, you can just turn that off by hitting the toggle again and your icon will disappear. So there's a few different options that pop up when you place your icon. Here you can give it a name, and here you can go in and change the basic shape and color of your icon. So we can turn it into a green star. If you want to go a bit more complex with your icons, you can choose from one of the pre-downloaded icon packs. FireAI are custom-made icons from FireAI, and you can see that there's a few different sections. We have Australia-specific ones under Down Under, and we also have a section dedicated to ICP icons. NWCG also has icons that are more standardized and follow certain regulations. Let's go for a campsite icon. So I've got my campsite icon here. If, for example, I wanted to give it a different name, we can easily do that. Once you hit enter, it's placed, and when you hover, you can see that the name pops up. Let's say that our camp spot moved. I can click it and drag it to where I want it to go. You can also do a mix and match of different icons. If you wanted to use all of the packs you have downloaded, I can get a water tank from the NWCG and place that by my tent. And I can use just the basic shapes. Once you want to get rid of your icons, you can easily delete those using the garbage can button here. So that's it for icons. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out and get in touch with us. Or if you guys think we're missing an icon or even want to create your own icon pack, get in touch with us and we'll try to make it happen.